Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Pisces, water sign. This is January weekly reading and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see your reading and what's going on. Messages for Pisces, water sign. 3 cards, okay. 5 of Cups, 8 of Pentacles, 4 of Cups. Nine of Wands, 2 of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles. Four of Swords. I think you are not talking to your person right now. This is no contact situation. You are undergoing some healing process. You are doing meditation. Yeah. And you are undergoing some healing process, but you are thinking about them a lot. You are missing them. Yes, Four of Swords energy. So let's see your reading. 5 of Cups, recent past. 8 of Pentacles, 4 of Cups. Definitely there is separation between you and your person, guys. And you both are, I think you are feeling very sad for the separation. Feeling sad for the missed opportunity with your person. 4 of Cups. Yeah, you have strong emotions for your person, but the separation happened between both of you. Right now you are concentrating on your career. 8 of Pentacles, working hard towards your goals. 8 of Pentacles energy. Yeah, maybe your person in this connection is very committed, but separation had happened and you are feeling sad, the recent past, the separation, and you are feeling very sad for that. Right now what is going? 9 of Wands, 2 of Pentacles and Page of Pentacles. You are thinking about them a lot. 9 of Wands energy, and you are juggling. Maybe you're juggling between head over heart. Page of Pentacles, some communication, some message, some apologies coming. I think some communication is going to be happen. Yeah. In near future, Death, Queen of Cups and Queen of Wands. Maybe the person you involved in this connection could be fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Scorpio, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So yeah, I think you have strong emotions for your person. Yeah, you love them. You love your person. There is love. I think one person in this connection is very giving and caring person. It could be you or your person. One person in this connection is stand by their power and they are very grounded and they are very attractive. And one person in this connection is very caring and giving person. You are undergoing some transformation. A transformation is going in your life right now, Pisces. Strong Scorpio energy, Death. Yeah, maybe you want to overcome this pain. That's why the transformation endings. But still you have strong emotions for your person. But you are smiling outside. Maybe inside you have a lot of emotions for your person, but you are smiling outside and you stand by your power and you are very grounded. You achieved balance. Yeah. You are in your control, Pisces. The person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Scorpio. Yeah, 4 of Swords. You want to heal. You are in so much pain, Pisces. So let's see your person current feelings and their near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going on. Under the deck, the Star. They're still hoping for this connection if you are in separation. So let's see. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Aquarius. See, Tower. 2 cards. Tower and 3 of Swords. They're missing you so much, Pisces. Yeah. They're undergoing so much pain. They're literally undergoing some tower movement. They're feeling like this without you. Maybe you both are friends also. Maybe you both are in relationship. Maybe you are husband and wife, whatever. Maybe definitely your person missing you so much. They want rebirth in this connection. They're in so much pain. They're missing you so much. They're undergoing some tower moment right now. Yeah, 2 of Wands under the deck. This could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. They're thinking about you a lot. I think you both are thinking about each other a lot, Pisces. So let's see the near future actions towards you. Ten of Wands, maybe your person also feeling overburdened due to family responsibilities, due to work pressure, whatever. Maybe when they're thinking about you, they're feeling like suffocating, yeah, this energy. Because they're missing you so much. And yeah, Knight of Pentacles, Seven of Wands and Ace of Wands. They want new beginnings with you, Ace of Wands. With Seven of Wands, they won't give up on this connection. They really want to work on this relationship. If you are waiting for your person, they are coming back. This person is very sincere and this is very stable and slow moving energy. Yeah, they're coming back, but it is very slow moving. I think this your person is very sincere, Pisces. The person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Pisces. Sorry, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. Ace of Pentacles. They really want to offer long-term commitment, stability to this connection, and they're very passionate about you, Knight of Wands. There is a lot of passion involved in this connection, and the devil, they are obsessed with you. They're obsessively thinking about you, Pisces. The person involved in this connection could be Capricorn also. Ten of Wands, you both feeling the same way, you both are on the same page, you both are thinking about each other a lot, you both without each other feeling like this, what I'm getting here. So yeah, justice, second chances, Queen of Pentacles. I think you are very caring and sharing, giving person, and your person, maybe your person also very caring and giving person. So what I'm saying here, justice, no contact, maybe there are second chances for some communication is coming to happen. But your person really want a new beginning with you, and Knight of Pentacles, they're coming back, but very slow moving energy. They won't give up on you. I think they're obsessively thinking about you. You both thinking about each other a lot because they're heartbroken without you, Pisces. So the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Capricorn. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Pisces. Ten of Cups. If you are waiting for this, it is coming, but something definitely there is separation. Maybe you walked away or your person. Five of Swords, separation, and there are some disturbances between both of you, and Two of Swords. Still you are at some crossroads. You don't know which decision you have to make because there are some disturbances in your family life. Yeah, maybe separation right now, but you want this happiness with your person. They're ready to offer. It's up to you what to do. So let's see your person overall energy for the week, Pisces. Justice, second chances. I already told you, your person wants second chance, or you maybe want second chance with them. Six of Pentacles, equal give and take. High Priestess, your person listening to the inner self, inner voice. Again, Ace of Pentacles. I think there is long-term commitment is coming in this relationship. Maybe this is a partial separation or temporary separation between both of you. I am seeing long-term commitment, but it will take some time for some. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Pisces. Nothing will come of this situation. maybe you are thinking that if you are having any problems in your relationship right now, you are thinking about nothing will come out this situation. Maybe you are feeling helpless, maybe you are feeling hopeless. No, something is going to be happen. I want another card. Work through your fears. See how these two cards are connected with each other. Definitely you are thinking like nothing will come of this situation, but work through your fears. If you are fearing about something, you have some fear issues, working through it, okay? Because every problem has some solution. You have to work through it, not feeling hopeless or helpless, whatever maybe. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.